To use Bookmap on Thinkorswim, start by logging into your Thinkorswim account and navigating to the Trade tab. From there, select the trading product you want to view, such as stocks, options, or futures. Next, click on the Studies menu at the top of the chart and select Bookmap from the list of available studies. Bookmap is a heat map that displays real-time order flow and liquidity, allowing you to visualize market activity and make more informed trading decisions. The Bookmap window will appear below your chart, displaying a 2D representation of the order book. The x-axis represents price levels, while the y-axis represents time. The colors on the Bookmap represent different types of orders, with green indicating buy orders and red indicating sell orders. The intensity of the color represents the size of the orders, with darker colors indicating larger orders. You can adjust the settings of the Bookmap to suit your trading style, such as changing the color scheme or adjusting the sensitivity of the order flow. To get the most out of Bookmap, look for areas of high buying or selling activity, as these can indicate support or resistance levels. You can also use Bookmap to identify order flow imbalances, which can be a sign of potential price movement. For example, if you see a large number of buy orders at a particular price level, it may indicate that the price is likely to rise. By combining Bookmap with other technical analysis tools and indicators, you can gain a more complete understanding of market activity and make more informed trading decisions. It is also important to keep in mind that Bookmap is just one tool and should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis and risk management techniques. By following these steps and using Bookmap effectively, you can take your trading to the next level and make more informed decisions in the markets. Remember to always use proper risk management and trading discipline when using Bookmap or any other trading tool.